Is this the comeback no one saw coming? The 2026 Peugeot 301 isn't just back, it's back with something to prove. In a market obsessed with crossovers and badge prestige, Peugeot has quietly rebuilt its compact sedan into something sharper, smarter, and more spirited than anyone expected. This isn't a rehash, it's a resurrection with teeth. From the first glance, it's obvious Peugeot didn't hold back. The 301's new design language is bold but elegant. The front fascia now features a wider grille with chrome pin detailing, flanked by aggressive LED matrix headlights. Daytime running lights cascade downward in Peugeot's signature claw pattern, giving the 301 a snarling road presence. Clean shoulder lines flow into a tight rear end with LED taillights and a sculpted trunk lip. Subtle but effective. It's a sedan that doesn't apologize for being one. Step inside, and the transformation continues. Peugeot's iCockpit dominates. The cabin, with a compact steering wheel and a high-mounted 10-inch digital cluster that feels straight out of a class above. The central infotainment screen is crisp and fluid, now with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Materials feel genuinely upgraded. Stitched soft surfaces across the dash, brushed metal accents, and piano black trim where it counts. Rear, passengers get more legroom this time, and the 640-liter trunk? Still one of the biggest in the segment, but what matters most is how it drives. Under the hood is a new 1.2-liter PureTech turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. It delivers 130 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque, numbers that don't just read well on paper. On the road, it's punchy, responsive, and paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic that shifts with real intent. 0 to 100 km/h comes in just under 10 seconds, not blistering, but smooth and consistent. More importantly, fuel consumption stays impressively low at around 5.2 liters per 100 kilometers. This car doesn't beg for fuel stops. It avoids them. The 301's driving character is a standout. Steering is light in the city but weights up nicely at speed. The chassis feels tighter, more composed, thanks to revised suspension geometry. On twisty roads, it holds a confident line. On rougher streets, it rides with a polish that's rare at this price point. You're not just driving it, you're connected to it. And the tech suite? Surprisingly complete. Lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a full 360-degree camera system. It's tech that works, not just tech that checks boxes. All of this, and the price? Starting from $19,500. That's not just value, it's Peugeot throwing down the gauntlet to every other budget sedan on the market. The 2026 Peugeot 301 is more than a return. It's a reinvention. Confident, capable, and carving a new path forward. And if this is how Peugeot plans to play the game in 2026, we're here for it. Stick around. What's coming next might just flip your definition of power on its head.